So I watched a couple more videos and they mentioned doing a pilot hole. They also said to use the 5/32 drill bit instead of the 9/64. So we got that one. They also said to use the 5/64 for the pilot hole. So we'll be trying that. Alright. I got that one on. That was what the that one's the 5/64. 5/64. Alright. We have the Dodge van. We have the drill bit that's 5/64. I'm going to try to use it as a pilot hole. Well, the pilot hole is definitely going down into the rivet. Let's try the other side, see what that does, if anything. Well, what do you think? It's definitely going down into it. I don't know if it's far enough in or what. And that was pushing decently hard. Yeah, that's just going up into the thing there. Alright, now we have the 5/32. So let's see how it behaves now. This one, ah, here we go. It just popped right out. Dodge van has a ATV, some wheels and whatnot in it. Alrighty. And then here's the wheels that were on it. Let's see if those can just be easy peasy. Nope. Well, I think that was fairly easy.